address Bangladesh. This is why these illegal immigrants stay on.
Correct.
If the government supports them like this is what will happen. Sir, I tell you, if the system supports anything like this, illegal immigrants will mushroom. It is dangerous to the system. Security of the nation is at threat.
I understand.
And you register a crime against this man who shows that this is an illegal immigrant staying here. If police act like this in support of an illegal immigrant of Bangladesh against the people of this city,
I was arrested, sent to custody, then released in serial number 9.
ಇದು icing on the cake.
My lord, petitioner is a doctor and an activist who helps police to identify illegal immigrants and deport them.
ಇದೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್.
May I request my lord to please take page number 16.
ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ
ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ರಾಜ್ಪುರ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಶರಣ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ ರಂಧಾ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆ ಬಗೇರಾ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ. On the petitioner,
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಈ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಇಮಿಗ್ರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಚೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಏನ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ? ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶಿಂದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್.
Correct, my lord. We have produced before the FRRO.
no,
What produced before the FIR? How
That
are
is-
registering crime against this man?
No, that is the allegation.
When what is the
beaten.
allegation?
Allegation is beaten.
What is beaten?
Allegation, my lord, is ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, my lord, may I,
SOP ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ you are giving them teeth to
We
stay
are
here.
not, my lord, immediately. We have
Not
produced.
immediately.
No, we have produced before the FRRO.
Look at complaint. Bangladesh Rashtra.
I seen that.
What sir? How did you even take this complaint?
No, because they said the allegation is
ಯಾವ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮನೆಗೂ
ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅಂತ.
ನಾನು ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಳಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸಮೇತ ವಾಸವಾಗಿದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಜೀವನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸುಮಾರು 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ DS Max ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾವು I'll request my lord to please take the next page number 18, a letter to FRRO by the investigation officer.
One moment.
This is based on my information. The investigation officer writes to FRRO
ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಅವೇ ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
at 11:30 and
Yes.
FIR is registered at 11:45.
11:30ಗೆ
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ
ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು.
ನನ್ನ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮೇಲೆ
ಹಾ.
ದಿ IO ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಟು FRRO ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದೇನೆಂದರೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ 22/7/26 ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು 11:30 ಗಂಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಾ.
ನಾವು I'll request my lord to please take FIR. FIR is at page number 13. Information received at PS is 11:45.
15 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
15 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಐ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ 74, 126, 115, 79.
This is why these illegal immigrants stay on.
Correct.
If the government supports them like this is what will happen.
We are not supporting, my lord.
Then what is this,
No,
sir?
immediately we have placed it, we have taken them.
Allah,
before the FRRO.
you have communicate, the IO communicates to the FRRO at 11:30 in terms of the SOP they should have been sent out.
No, but FRRO has to take a decision.
Allah, FRRO has to take a decision. Astral crime and entertain ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ 15 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
No, but
Is it not a straight counter blast on these people?
the allegation is that they have also beaten. That is the allegation.
Where is the allegation beaten? IO himself communicates they should be sent. ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಷರ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Page 17.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ ಪೇಜ್ 18 ಅಲ್ಲಿ IO ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ. ಸೇಮ್ IO.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ my lord, they say they are staying here from 15 years. ಈ FRO ಬರೆದಿರೋ ಪತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 18 ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is one paragraph, third paragraph, ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಬಿಲಾಲ್ ತಂದೆ so and so DS Max ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಹಡೋ ಸಿದ್ದಾಪುರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರ ಈತನನ್ನು ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ಪಡೆದು ಸ್ವಂತ.
I tell you, if the system supports anything like this, illegal immigrants will mushroom. It is dangerous to the system. Security of the nation is at threat.
I understand.
And you register a crime against this man who shows that this is an illegal immigrant staying here. And for what? Counter blast ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? 11:00 FRRO ಬರೀತಾರೆ, 11:45 ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್?
If they produce and if they make an allegation against them before FRRO, all those things will also have to.
ಅಲ್ಲ, where is it sir? FRRO ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾರ? ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. FRRO ಮುಂದೆ IO rights to the FRRO, nothing is said.
So allegation, my lord, is beaten. That is
Sir,
the reason they have registered.
What? ಅದೇನ್ ಮನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ allegation just because that is there, why is it registered? System should not support such things, sir. Very, very bad.
And IO rights.
And IO rights. ಎಲ್ಲಿದು illegal immigrants ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ.
Oh, we are not saying that they are not legal. We are saying
What
they
are you
illegal.
talking, sir? Illegal immigrants having the wherewithal and the system support fight against the persons of
No,
this state?
we are not.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅವರು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು ಇವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ 15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅಂತ 15 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ. Can anything be better illustration of abuse of the process?
If you have said they are not illegal immigrants, your lordship can say that it is they are not. In fact, we have said they are illegal immigrants. They are staying in this place illegally. We have produced them before FRRO. They are kept in a detention center.
The IO writes to FRRO saying that the complainant respondent is also illegal immigrant.
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಇದಾರೆ ಮೇಲೆ
ಅವರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
No, he writes that he is staying here from 15 years.
They are not illegal immigrants. That is the reason we have taken them and produced before FRRO instantly.
You should SOP ಪ್ರಕಾರ send them out.
The FRRO,
ಇವರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಇದೇನು ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
your lordship may direct the FRRO also to will.
What? FRRO will direct them to expedite. That's a different thing. But how did you entertain this crime?
ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
See, if you ಯಾರು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್? ಟೈಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Where is the time in the FIR? ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ್.
ಹೌದು.
Complainant address is Bangladesh. Can there be a better illustrations?
I am not justifying.
What system is this supporting such
I
things?
am not justifying, my lord. We are saying that we have instantly, the moment we come to know, we have taken action. We have.
What action have you taken? FRR ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 15 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರ ಇವರು.
ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಏನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಡೆದ.
Serial number 11 my lord. The next matter. I file a complaint at 1:30. FIR is registered at 3:30. May I request my lord to take serial number 11? Same, on the same petitioner. Different police station. They register a complaint. I complain them. Page number 19. May I request my lord to please take page number 19. That is a message which I get from ERS, Emergency Response System from the Karnataka Police. That is at 1:39 PM. Now the FIR at page number 14 is registered at 3:30. They say ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹೊಡೆದಿದೀವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವರ್ತೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು FIR ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ another complainant.
ಪಕ್ಕದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Different police station.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್
Same doctor ಮೇಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, they are the different people. They are
different people. My lord, please take page number 18.
They are also being produced before FIR.
Page number 18 ಒಂದ್ ಸರಿ ತಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ my lord. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಕೊಡತಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ, ಸರ್ಜಾಪುರ ರಸ್ತೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
ಸ್ವಂತ ವಿಳಾಸ ಜಾಶೋರ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ, ಸೌತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯತೆ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ.
Here also we have produced it. Both these cases, my lord, we have produced before FRRO. We have taken action immediately. It is not that we have not taken action.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಅವರು 15 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, did you subject them to examination? ಏನ್ ಅವ್ರ wound ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ, they just came and saw the policeman. ಈ ತರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನೇಷನ್. ಅದ್ನೇ wound ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್. ಇಫ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ in support of an illegal immigrant of Bangladesh against the people of this city, where is the thing, sir?
We are not. There is no question of shielding anybody.
Then what, sir? What is this? This system should stop. Stop appeasing. How long, sir? ಇದೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪೀಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ 15 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ wound ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಪೀಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
I'll secure the records, but this is
secure the records. This is not correct at all. ಇವರು ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಇಮಿಗ್ರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು
ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ my lord, I'm sure.
ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿರ್ತಾರ ಸರ್?
ವೆರಿಫೈ ದಟ್.
ಇವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, FIR ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಟೈಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. 11:00 ಇವರು FRR ಪತ್ರ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. 11:45 they register a complaint and it is on document saying that in 15 minutes have
assaulted them.
I'll verify that. May I request my lord, let the FRR be party.
So that I will do. FRR on party ಮಾಡಿ, we will direct the SOP to be operated and send them out.
That immediately, because they are written and they are kept in detention center. They are detention center, temporary detention center. And if the FRRO cannot take any action, then we will not be able to deport them. Therefore, my lord, let the FRRO also be party.
If at all they want to act against illegal immigrants, they could have booked the landowner who has given them rent.
That also we'll do.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
We will do it.
They say
That also you don't.
We will do that also.
in FIR they say where they
And
are
I see in many places Foreigners Act, all these people are giving these people on rent for a few rupees more.
My lord,
Detaining these immigrants who have no visa to stay, no document to stay, only for the purpose that they are giving 1,000 rupees more rent.
And in fact, Commissioner
If
of Police,
greed can overtake the security of the nation, what else can be done, sir?
Commissioner of Police has issued a direction for all the police stations and all the the citizens to cooperate with the thing. They are what to do, my lord, unfortunately.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮುನಿರಾಜು ಲೇಬರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿ ವಿಲೇಜ್
ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಹಂಗೇನೆ.
till date,
Why action
nothing
is
is
not
registered.
taken against
I'll
them?
verify, we will take action against them.
If you don't take action against such people, this will mushroom.
No, we will take action against them also. There's no question of shielding anybody, my lord. We'll take action against them.
This system should not support such things. Sir, how did the police station register a complaint? Were you arrested?
I was arrested, sent to custody, then released in serial number 9.
ಇದು icing on the cake. Arrest ಬೇರೆ.
One day I was in custody, then I was released on bail.
Look at it, sir.
And I have to go
An
through all this
illegal
aspect.
immigrant can go to the extent of getting him arrested because he is shown the place where the illegal immigrant stays. Man, what is this?
As the hearing progressed, the court examined an unusual case where a petitioner who claimed to have been assisting the police in identifying and facilitating action against alleged illegal immigrants from Bangladesh later found himself facing a criminal case filed by one of those very individuals. The petitioner argued that instead of being supported for assisting the authorities, he had become the subject of criminal proceedings. The court expressed concern over the implications of such cases, observing that if citizens who assist law enforcement are routinely prosecuted at the instance of those they report, it could discourage public cooperation with the authorities. The bench also questioned the legal status of the complainant and the circumstances in which the FIR had been registered. To ensure that the matter is decided on accurate facts, the court directed that the Foreigners Regional Registration Office (FRRO) be impleaded as a party and called for an official report regarding the nationality and immigration status of the individuals involved. The matter will now proceed after the FRRO places its findings before the court.